Okay, let's talk crypto market now with Ladi. Well, Bitcoin dropped over the weekend amid a focus on Chinese mine closures and potential regulatory scrutiny. Any rebound this morning?
Well, just a slight rebound because Bitcoin broke the 34,000 support. So more negative news keeps piling on, beating that price down. And the top 100 coins took a massive beating this morning with Bitcoin at 32,900 earlier in the morning, down about 7%. It's all red. It's a red Monday. It's been a red weekend, and now we're having the redness extend into Monday. Market cap, $1.39 trillion traded, down about 6.69%. 24-hour volume, 88.17, up about 33%. And Bitcoin dominance is also at 44, above that 40 range. Price of Bitcoin this morning, 32,808. 24-hour volume traded in Bitcoin this morning, $39.41 billion traded. And now we see Bitcoin breaking that 34K support. We might hit that 31,500 area with the MACD on the one-day chart actually about to cross in a bearish manner. Let's talk to Olumide Adesina now. Hello, Olumide.
Hello, Ladi. Good morning.
Yeah. Good morning, Olumide. Well, Bitcoin is looking really very, very weak this morning. It's a red Monday. What's happening in the market?
Yeah, there's so many bearish sentiments, just like you earlier treated. First of all, an hedge fund is about to unlock 60,000 Bitcoin in the coming weeks, and that will definitely weaken price across market spectrum. Don't forget that the market, the bullish momentum is stalling on China's crackdown on miners, and that's really affected the hash rate of that the computing horsepower of Bitcoin. And it's so bad that the present hash rate of Bitcoin is about 91.2 trillion hashes per second, and that's about half of it when it was in May, when it was about 171.4 trillion. So what is really telling you is that the miners' crackdown has really weighed on the market. Then also we are seeing that investors, institutional and retail investors, also have a weakened buying pressure. So at the point we saw that Bitcoin broke the $35 support level and went down as well as 32. So what we are going to the coming days means that the bearish pattern might be strengthening. And I forgot to say the dead cross occurred about 2 days ago on the hour chart, giving a strong bearish signal. Though some market watchers say that anytime that signal happens, a reversal usually takes place, because if you remember the last time it happened, that was March 2020. But this is not the case right now. It's looking down for Bitcoin, and you know when Bitcoin falls, all other altcoins to drop radically. So that's really what's happening right now, Nadi.
So with this death cross, we could expect at least a 50% drop.
The percentage, I'm not really sure how low to drop, but there's one thing that is certain. Bitcoin might test below 30. It's likely that Bitcoin tests below 30,000 price level, because the number of coins coming going to be unlocked by that hedge fund, and the fact that institutional buying pressure has reduced drastically, though they are not selling, according to data, shows that they are still not selling their coins. But the problem is that we are not seeing such inflows, and the macros in the market is not really supporting. Then also another thing that is really weighing on Bitcoin right now is the dollar. The dollar is gaining momentum at record level. You don't forget that, the US Fed has said that they're going to move forward interest rates. So at one point we're going to see market liquidity tightening, and that will really mean that as inflows from risky assets will definitely trickle down. So it's not looking good at all. So the price level below 25, very likely. Right. But I don't know how low it can be, Daddy.
Okay. How low can it go? That's the question. All right, Lumide, thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you, Daddy.
So, Chimmy, there you have it. Top 100 coins are beaten down.
Whichever low Bitcoin goes, well, I'm sure there are still some people waiting to latch on to read.
To buy low.
Absolutely. And one would wonder, Well, if Bitcoin is going, what other coins should, I mean, this is a new week. I'm sure there are other
Well,
altcoins.
well,
You
right
talk a lot
now, you
about
know, with
altcoins.
the altcoins taking a bitter, you know, when Bitcoin is volatile, you know, you see altcoins dropping double digits, like 20, 30%. So it might be safer to just be in USDT, stable coins for now.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Well, we'll continue to watch that market. Anyway, that's a wrap on the program. And don't forget to join us later in the day on Business Incorporated at 1:30 p.m. for more update on our business stories.